Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix the photo mode missing on TikTok. First, go to the settings in your mobile device. Here, tap on General. Go to Software Update. Check if there's any latest software update for your device. If it is available, download and install this update on your device. After that, you need to open the App Store. Go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Check for any latest update. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app on your device. Once it is done, open the TikTok app. Now tap on this plus icon from the bottom. Select the option of photo. Then tap on Upload from your bottom right. Here you need to allow access. Now select the photos from the gallery. Also, you can select multiple by enabling the option from your bottom left corner. Select the photos and tap on Next. Here you can see the option of Switch to Photo Mode. Tap on it. As you can see, our photo mode is now working. So this was all about fixing photo mode on TikTok. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.